Hello, Lois Threlkeld here, ladiesofjusticeleague.com, here at the Wednesday Prosperity Through Real Estate Luncheon. We are here every Wednesday. It's at the Sizzler in Van Nuys, on Van Nuys Boulevard. You see, I got a sign here. There it is in the background. That says Sizzler. And we are all things real estate. Starts at 11. Here's the star of the show, Steve Love, Prosperity Through Real Estate. And we get together, exchange trainings, ideas, we network. Every vendor is here that can help you in your real estate business, as well as buyers, sellers, all things real estate. So the name of the club is Prosperity Through Real Estate. We meet at the Sizzler. It's every Wednesday. We meet at 11 a.m. when the doors open, and we talk real estate. The only thing is you gotta buy lunch. That's easy one, because you're gonna eat anyway. Might as well eat with a bunch of other real estate people. All right, Lois Threlkeld, comment, like, share, subscribe, and ladiesofjusticeleague.com. Talk soon. Bye now.